Hello, this is Mosh Barry. Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to share our website and a relevant mobile application that pays you over $1,000 a day. Stick to the end of the video because I will share more applications that will help you make more money. And literally, you can tap the phone with the application or use your computer and do something that makes you completely passive income. So this website has over 4.5 million monthly visitors, so they are very serious about what they're doing, and they are basically a brand name, very well-known website, whether you know or not. They are well known at what they do, so they are completely reliable and they pay you to your PayPal. But again, don't worry if you don't have PayPal, because if you stick to the end of the video, my video will show you how you can make money through other ways. And yes, link in the description will give you my software, 100% free, they're premium, but 100% free for my viewers. They will help you make money. So let's do this. Before we start and show you step by step how to do this and how we make money live on this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you get notified when we will upload our next video. So let's begin. Alright, we are on surveyjunkie.com and they have over 4.5 million monthly visitors. So these guys are super serious. All you have to do is to sign up for free, take surveys and get paid, and that's it. You can also use their mobile application, which is 100% free. Use this application and take surveys and make money from your mobile phone. And you can choose the payment methods. You can redeem virtual points for PayPal or e-gift cards. Super awesome. As you know, Amazon gift cards can be used for shopping, and also they can be sold outside and you can make far more money. Also, you can get money from PayPal. If your country does not allow PayPal, then you might want some other method. Don't worry. Stick to the end of the video. We will show you other methods and other application as well, so you can make a lot of money. As this is an old and established company, their website is clear and complete. So go through every section clearly so you understand 100% how to use this website and make money from here. I always recommend going through the footer section because the terms, privacy policy, FAQ, and so many other opportunities are hidden in the footer section. So always go through every single section and read everything clearly so you understand 100% what to do and how to do in any website before you start working on them. Because you don't want to be in a situation where you spend your time on any website and you actually is waiting to get paid and you end up saying something unfortunate that for some reason they're not going to pay you. Maybe they don't support your country, or maybe you have violated any of their policies without knowing that you're violating. This is the FAQ section, very clear, very complete, because they have a lot of users. They already asked a lot of questions. In my opinion, almost all your questions are already answered. So go ahead, read them clearly so you know answers of all the questions you might possibly have. Here is an important information. 500 points are equivalent to $5. You must reach a minimum of 500 points to cash out. We have done reviews of other websites before that wants only $1 for cashing out, but they want $5. You should learn about their terms, like example, lifetime points and current points. What are they? Every company has their own terminology. Read about them, know about them before you enter. Here is a very important question somebody asked and they have already answered. I took a survey, but the points didn't show up in the current points. What do I do? The answer is here. I think here is a very important question that everyone should know. Do my points expire? Well, they have an answer for that. Basically, your points will never expire as you are an active member. But still, they have other terms. Go through those terms and always keep yourself updated, because every website changes their terms and policies with time. Signing up is super easy. Use Facebook or use Google. One click and you sign up. Then the website will guide you through the process. All you have to do mostly is click, 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 and you create your active account. At the beginning, you might have to type a few letters and words here and there, like the zip or postal code, your name, password, login, and start earning. The moment you enter your account, they give you a bonus 25 points. And when you complete your profile, you earn additional 50 points. And completing your profile is not a big deal at all. You have multiple choice questions. You simply click to answer. That's it. And the number of questions are not hidden at all. Like they have 18 questions at the moment. So I'm just simply clicking and answering the questions. It literally took me just a few minutes. And that's also because I am a slow reader. But in your case, it will be even faster. Once you are done, they will show you this pop-up. Congratulations, you got 50 points. And these points will show up in your account. Well, I have done a couple more clicks and earned 100 points so far. Your profile has a couple of sections. Once you complete each section, you get new points. Now, technology profile has 18 questions. All are already answered in multiple choice format. You simply click, decide, and save and continue. Now I have 165 points. Super awesome. These are my current points. I have 165 points. I need another 335 points to cash out $5. But once I complete my profile, all the sections of my profile, I'll start surveys. They will be clicks, clicks, clicks as well using my mobile phone or my computer, and I will start making money. Super simple, right? We have checked Trustpilot and we found Survey Junkie has a 4.4 rating across 32,100 reviews, which is excellent. So it's completely trustworthy and reliable website that will pay you for your work. Did you like our video so far? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe, switch on the notification bell button, and share this video all over the internet in all your social media platforms, so your social media contacts, your friends and family also get benefited from the information and education. And remember, links in the description will give you my premium softwares free so you can make money faster and easier. As you have noticed that this system has a limitation. The limitation is if they have survey, you can carry on survey. If they don't have a survey to provide you, well, you cannot do anything. So that is the limitation. They don't have a referral program. At least we didn't find any referral program. I personally like referral programs because it's simply referring other people, and when other people join and they make money using the website, we get paid as a referrer. But this website doesn't have a referral platform. So I am showing you another application, mobile application, that will help you a lot of money, literally more than $1,000 a day on the average. You ready for this? If you try Uber Suggest or any other keyword research software, you'll find an amazing keyword that is so easy to do, but people need this service a lot. You know what? That is background removal. People need to remove backgrounds from their images and separate certain objects or persons from images. So we have checked on Uber Suggest. We found background remover has 500,000 searches per month on Google and search engines. So we came to Fiverr to have a look at people are really making money on background removal type of service or not. Look at this. Oh my God, there are so many Fiverr gigs making so much money. Let's take an example of this one. These guys have got 5-star rating from 3,449 customers. Okay, their average sell price is $25 for 100 images. Literally, with a mobile application, it takes one tap to remove the background. Simply one tap to remove the background. So 100 taps gives you 100 background removal. Also, from our experience, we figured most customers will buy this for a faster delivery rather than more images, which doesn't really take time at all. So if we consider $25 per sale on the average, okay, so 3,449 times, considering only 5% customers come back and leave a rating and review, 3,449 times 20 is the number of total sales on this Fiverr. It's approximate number. And if we multiply this with 25, then it's a 7-figure number, almost double 7-figure, means $1.7 million in sales from one Fiverr gig. How cool is that? Now you can argue that this is an old Fiverr gig, super awesome. So what? Look at other gigs. Everybody is making money because it's such an important task, but it's so easy to do. People use these Fiverr gigs are busy people. They don't have time to even tap or do anything with their graphic design work. They hire someone to do the job for them. Now, where is the mobile app? Okay, go to Google Play, just search with background. It will give you background eraser, background removal. You'll find a lot of free applications. I used to use a paid application because that gave me good results, but later I developed my own application. Link in the description will give you my application 100% free. Go get it and use it and make money from Fiverr and Fiverr-like websites, freelancer websites, and make money on demand. So in this video, I share 2 applications that will help you make over $1,000 a day, easy peasy. All you need to do, use the free one and use the other one, the one that I am giving you, and that's it. Use it and make money. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you support our channel. And YouTube will promote this video to other viewers. We'll get a lot of views. Other people will get benefited from those views, and you will be notified when we will upload our next video. And of course, our next video will be about another unique way to make money online, and it will come with our premium softwares free. Also hit the share button and share this video with the social media platforms so your friends, family, and social contacts get benefited from this information and education as well. And we will see you in the next video.